They say surveillance is just about recording. Wrong. Let us reveal to you the real life and death factor in high-risk environments. When danger strikes without warning, the only line of defense you can truly rely on is this powerhouse built for extreme scenarios, the ACTi Anti-Explosion Camera. Are you ready to witness its power? Let's start with the core structure, an explosion-proof housing integrated with a PTZ camera. This isn't just a casing, it's a safety barrier. Whether it's a military ammo depot, chemical plant storage area, or hazardous material room in a power facility, this level of protection prevents external ignition sources from triggering disasters. Simply log into the VMS system to remotely control the PTZ, perform 360-degree scans, and monitor high-risk zones without setting foot on site. Next, we talk about an industry-level certification. Few products can match ATEX II GXD IIC T5 T6 Gb, as well as compliance with TSXD IIC T5 to 6 GB and TSXTB IIC T100°C GB. This means the ACTi Anti-Explosion Camera is officially certified for use in environments filled with flammable gases and dust, with excellent heat resistance. From refinery explosion zones to natural gas compression stations, it's ready for deployment. Easy configuration via the ACTi VMs enables automated event workflows and video evidence retention. The third highlight is the stainless steel 316 housing, a military and medical grade material with top-level corrosion and pressure resistance, ideal for utilities like sewage plants and chemical tank areas. With just a few web configurations for patrol routes and alert zones, maintenance becomes minimal, giving integrators a true long-term solution. Fourth, we emphasize the optional pan-tilt scanning feature. The ACTi Anti-Explosion Camera offers either fixed view or programmable PT cruising, perfect for military gate entrances or oil tank areas that require constant surveillance. Once patrol points are set, the camera can auto-scan based on time or events, significantly boosting security operation efficiency. Fifth, IR LED illumination ensures clear images even in complete darkness. Whether it's night shifts in a factory or unmanned power stations, the night vision capabilities shine. With a simple UI, just set the brightness threshold and the system will switch to night mode automatically, no manual work needed. The sixth advantage is IP68 waterproof and dustproof durability. These cameras are ideal for long-term deployment in outdoor, humid, sandy, or storm-prone environments, especially for utilities like hydro plants, desalination facilities, or underground infrastructure. Even in disasters like floods or landslides, it keeps recording without fail. Seventh is its multi-layer anti-corrosion coating technology. Even when installed by coastal military bases, salt factories, or chemical plants, it can withstand extreme salinity and chemical corrosion for years without replacement. It's more than anti-rust, it's a guarantee of lifespan and ROI. For system integrators, the ACTi Anti-Explosion Camera doesn't just exceed spec expectations, it also costs 30% to 50% less than comparable models from Axis. With equal performance but greater affordability, it helps meet client demands, reduce procurement costs, and boost both efficiency and risk management. Combined with ACTi's VMS, access control, and alarm integration, this is your best value solution. Want to learn more about anti-explosion surveillance solutions? Contact ACTi today and fortify your frontline in high-risk zones. Don't leave any gaps in your safety net. Act now and take control of tomorrow.